Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about famous women writers in chronological order. Ancient world. Sappho 600 BC. From Middle Ages, Mary de France 1160 to 1215. She was a French poet. Now next one is Julian of Norwich 1342 to 1416. She wrote about the motherhood of God. Next is Elizabeth Jane Wester, 1582 to 1612, English Czech poet known for Neo Latin poetry. Catherine Phillips, 1632 to 1664, best known for her poems on female friendship. Afra Ben, 1640 to 1689, best known for her short novel Orinoco, the tale of an enslaved African prince. She belongs to a Restoration era. Women writers in 18th century. Hannah More, 1749 to 1793. Religion of the Heart, The Shepherd of Salisbury Plain, a poem named by slavery, Syllabus in Search of a Wife are the main works. 19th century women writers. Fanny Trollope, 1779 to 1863. Her famous work is Domestic Manner of Americans. It is best known. She has also wrote some social novels. Elizabeth Gaskell, 1810 to 1865. Mary Barton, The Life of Charlotte Bronte. Cranford, North and South, Wives and Daughters are her famous works. Charlotte Bronte, 1816 1855. Her famous works are Jane Eyre, 1841. Her other novels are Shirley and Village. Next one is Emily Bronte, 1818 to 1848. Her famous work is Wuthering Heights. And other work is poem by Currer Ellis and Actionville. George Eliot, 1819 to 1880. Middlemarch, The Mill on the Floors, Romola, Adam Bede, Henry Lewis, Silas Marner, Daniel Deronda are her famous works. Christina Rossetti, 1830 to 1886. Goblin Merchant and Remember remain famous. She belongs to pre-Raphaelite literary movement. Emily Dickinson, 1830 to 1888. Hope is the thing with feathers. Because I could not stop for death. I am nobody. Who are you? I heard a fly buzz. Wild nights. There is a pain are her famous poems. Louise May Alcott, 1832 to 1888. Her famous book is Little Woman. She is an American writer. Little Men, Joyce Boys, and Eight Cousins are her famous works. Edith Wharton, 1862 1937. She is a famous American writer. The Age of Innocence. It won Pulitzer Prize. The House of Mirth, Ethan Frome are her famous works. Virginia Woolf, 1882 1941. Mrs. Dalloway, A Room of One's Own, To the Lighthouse, and she is the pioneer of stream of consciousness. Agatha Christie, 1890 to 1976. She is a famous English crime novelist. Her reputation rests on 66 detective works and 14 short stories. Mysterious Affairs of Style, The Mousetrap are her famous works. Pearl Buck, 1890 to 1973. She is a famous American writer. Her novel Good Earth won Pulitzer Prize. East Wind, West Wind, Sons are her famous works, and Good Earth won Pulitzer Prize in 1932. She was awarded Nobel Prize in Literature in 1938. She also known by her Chinese name Cai Zhenzai. Doris Lessing, 1919-2013. The Golden Notebook, The Grass is Singing, The Fifth Child are her famous works. She is the oldest person who received Nobel Prize forever in English literature. Judith Merril, 1923-1997. Science fiction writer. Harper Lee, 1926-2016. She is a famous American novelist. To Kill a Mockingbird, To Set a Watchman are her famous works. And her famous characters are Atticus Finch, Jean Louise Scott Finch, Jem Finch, Alice Munro, 1931. She born on 1931. She is a Nobel Prize winner, a Canadian writer. Dear Life, Runway, Hateship, Friendship, Loveship, Marriage, etc. are her famous works. Too Much Happiness won Man Booker Prize of 2009. Lives of Girls and Women are her only novel. Toni Morrison, 1931-2019. She is also an American writer. Beloved, The Bluest Eye, Song of Solomon are her famous works. She won Pulitzer Prize in 1987. She was a winner of Nobel Prize in Literature in 1993. Sylvia Plath, 1932-1963. The Bell Jar, Ariel, The Collected Poems, The Prime Daddy, and Lady Lazarus. The novels are Bell Jar, Starkey, etc. are famous. J.K. Rowling, 1965. The Cuckoo's Calling, Lethal White, The Silkworm, Carer of Evil are her